Good morning, my fabulous friends. Rebecca here with Books and Brew. Guess what? It is March. Woohoo! Do you know what March is? March is my birthday. I'm an Aries, but guess what? It's so exciting. My birthday isn't until March 31st, and we are celebrating all month long. These are the numbers we're celebrating this year. It's a big one, but we are going to have so much fun this month. Unicorns, Care Bears, lots of neon and fluff. I am giving away all sorts of fun freebies this month. And I'm very excited to be a part of the Rainbow Road Declutter Your Biz Spring Bundle. You have got to get in on this. There are more contributors than a bag of Skittles, and it's going to be so much fun. I'm going to put that link down below. That is going on this week. You can upgrade to VIP and get some extra fun goodies, but the Rainbow Road is going to be full of fun. So grab your cutest Care Bear. Get your unicorn sparkles on. This is corny. Is she not freaking adorable? Grab your coffee. Join me all month long for the fun. Check out the links below and included for the Rainbow Road bundle. That's the big attraction this week. Do not miss out. I'm telling you, I've seen this stuff in here. I got a little sneak peek. Lots of good fun things. And I'm going to have in there my checklist for decluttering your digital stuff. So get in on it. Let's have some fun this month, people. The sun is out. Have a great day. Have a great week. And I will see you soon. Take care.